Today we're talking about an important sensor in your car that you might not even know about: the intake airflow sensor. This little device plays a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. In simple terms, the intake airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. It's like the lungs of your car, telling the engine how much air to breathe. This information is crucial because the engine needs the perfect balance of air and fuel to run properly. Without it, your car could experience performance issues or even damage in the long run. Why is the intake airflow sensor so important? Well, imagine trying to bake a cake without measuring the ingredients. Too much flour, and you get a dry, crumbly mess. Too little, and it's a gooey disaster. The same principle applies to your car's engine. The airflow sensor ensures the engine receives the correct air-to-fuel ratio for optimal combustion. This means better fuel economy, lower emissions, and improved overall performance. Without it, your car's computer wouldn't know how much fuel to inject, leading to a rough-running engine and potentially costly repairs down the line. Now, how does this sensor actually work? Most modern cars use what's called a mass airflow, or MAF sensor. This sensor sits in the air intake path and measures the mass of air passing through it. It does this using a heated wire or film. As air flows over the heated element, it cools down. The sensor measures the amount of electricity needed to maintain a constant temperature. This change in electrical current directly correlates to the mass of air flowing into the engine. The sensor then sends this information to the car's computer, which uses it to calculate the correct amount of fuel to inject. Types of airflow sensors. While the MAF sensor is the most common type, some cars still use an older technology called a manifold absolute pressure or MAP sensor. Instead of directly measuring airflow, the MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold. This pressure changes based on the amount of air entering the engine. Both MAF and MAP sensors serve the same purpose, providing the engine control unit, or ECU, with information about air intake. However, MAF sensors are generally considered more accurate, which is why they're more prevalent in modern vehicles. Symptoms of a faulty airflow sensor. So, how do you know if your airflow sensor is on the fritz? There are some telltale signs. One common symptom is a check engine light on your dashboard. Other signs include rough idling, poor acceleration, black smoke from the exhaust, and decreased fuel economy. If you experience any of these issues, it's essential to get your car checked by a mechanic. A faulty airflow sensor can lead to more severe engine problems if left unaddressed. Conclusion: keeping your engine running smoothly. In conclusion, the intake airflow sensor is a vital component of your car's engine management system. It ensures the optimal blend of air and fuel for efficient combustion. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or replacing the air filter, can help prolong the life of your airflow sensor. By understanding how this sensor works and recognizing the signs of a faulty one, you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs in the future. Drive safe.